Good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas. I wish I was starting this video looking a lot cuter than I do, but what can you do? We got up. It's Saturday morning after Thanksgiving. We're having a fabulous long weekend. It feels like it should be Sunday, honestly.
Bro, I've been off all week, so I don't know what you're talking about.
That's true. Morgan has been off all week. I worked through Wednesday and was off. I got off a half day Wednesday. But yeah, it feels like Sunday. It's not. It's Saturday, which is fabulous.
It does feel like Sunday.
It does. We're pulling up to one of our favorite coffee shops, Summer Moon. And we're about to get some coffee and maybe a pastry. And I'm pretty pumped about it. So, I'll show you what we got. And we're officially off to the races in Vlogmas. I got a new phone, so my plan is film on my phone since the camera quality is good, edit on my phone, and I'll be able to get videos up quicker. So, oh, there's a note on the menu. God, I look hideous. Okay, mission accomplished.
Keep that in the video.
I always get their Poptart. I like the strawberry one the best. Morgan gets a lot of the flavors. They're homemade. Oh my gosh, just like little pastries. So freaking good though.
I didn't get one today because I'm morbidly obese. I wanted to. That pumpkin cheesecake one is
good. So I always get their, it's called the Whisper Winter Moon. Winter means it's iced. Whisper means it's the least sweet option. It's so good. I add almond milk instead of like 2% or whatever.
Yeah, I think if you get the normal, like, full version. I've never got it. I think I've only got the half, and it was
insanely sweet.
So
yeah.
I can't imagine what full is. I got a fourth one. I usually get the eighth, but I got a fourth one, and then I got an extra shot of espresso. So I think it's going to be perfect.
Yeah, I think it's going to be so good. So we're just having our little breakfast coffee date. We usually do this on Saturdays. So
oh, yeah, this is good.
It is.
Yeah, this is
it's
the new.
Grood.
Yeah, it's Grood. This is the new order right here.
But yeah, we're gonna go home, chill, and we'll just keep checking in and hang out with y'all today. I don't really know what the plan is.
Football.
Oh, football. And maybe food. Oh, the chili mix is supposed to come today.
Yeah, we're making chili tonight.
We ordered a chili. Yeah, we ordered a chili mix, which is random. But we'll show that later. I'm gonna check Amazon right now and see what time it arrives, and then I'm gonna go buy the ingredients today. And we're gonna have a good chili. Beans?
Oh, yeah.
Or I don't know. Is it just the box? I'm not sure.
Know.
We'll figure it out. All right, y'all. We are about to go to the grocery store. We came home, turned on some football. We've just been relaxing. And we're going to go get some stuff to eat for the weekend. We have that chili mix, but we checked Amazon and it says being delivered by 10. And it's still not like in the delivery truck, so it does seem like it's going to be a late delivery, so we're just going to go get some food. Well, we're going to go to the grocery store, get some stuff. I'm just putting on a little bronzer so that I don't look dead. But I'll show you what we end up getting. We'll make a little lunch when we get back. Ooh, that's the wrong brush. I love these e.l.f. blushes. Putty blush. I don't know which one this is. It's like a corally orange color. I'm obsessed. I have like blush blindness, I think. I just always want to add more. Okay. It's as good as it's going to get for now. This is my winter uniform. I have way more crew necks than somebody that lives in South Texas needs, but I'm obsessed. This one was from a friend for my 30th birthday. Obviously 92 is the year I was born. Chancy. Leggings. These are actually my Lululemon leggings, my only pair, and I love them. And these are Birkenstock dupes from Amazon. They were like 30 bucks. I'll try to link them below. They're super comfortable. You have to wear them a lot though. Like once you break them in, they're the most comfortable shoes, super warm. Okay, we've already changed. I just threw on this like super cozy sweater. It's like gray in the back. So cute. My dad got this for me like years ago for Christmas. I think it's the like UMGE brand. UMGEE. Do y'all know what I'm talking about? It's like sold at boutiques sometimes. Anyways, threw this on. We're about to head to the store. Bison. Y'all already know we're obsessed with these weird chip flavors. So we got them for people for Christmas.
Okay, and none of them are that odd.
This one's steak flavored Cheetos. Yeah. Italian meat. This one is meat, I think pork meatball.
It says imitation stewed artificial pork ball. So pork.
Yeah. And then this one is...
That is Mexican roasted...
tomato.
Mexican chicken tomato.
Yum.
So that,
I bet that's good.
Okay.
The tomato ones are always good for some reason.
And the Italian beef is actually fantastic.
We've had this one. It's actually really good. This is fried turkey stick or something like that.
That's gonna be disgusting.
You picked that one out. Turkey flavor.
That's for people stocking up.
Yeah. We got 2 of the steak because I want to try this. I feel like this is going to be good.
It honestly probably will be.
Yeah.
I think, I just did those as stocking stuffers because...
It's fun.
It's different, you know?
Yeah, it'll be fun for us to try. We're going to his family, to his mom's house for Christmas, so that'll be fun. Also got a Coke Zero, naturally. And we'll do a little haul whenever we get home. Okay. Weird angle, but we're working. We're gonna make it work. Okay, the weird thing is these chip bags don't open like normal. You have to tear it, I've noticed. Like they don't have the American, they don't let you do that. Okay. Doesn't smell like steak. Okay, remember those wavy ones I got last time? They're kind of like barbecue. I feel like that's what these taste like. Love, honestly. They taste like a barbecue Cheeto.
Yeah, they're actually pretty good.
They're good.
I get steak from that. You don't?
You get steak? I don't know.
I mean, they're better than cheesy Cheetos, honestly.
Yeah. I can't even eat regular Cheetos anymore. It has to be the hot ones. The cheesy ones hurt my stomach. And that's on being 30.
Those are fantastic.
Those are good.
Dang. Why don't they sell that here?
I know. We don't have anything cool.
I mean, I guess it's good.
Probably for the best. But this place by our house,
those are great.
He restocks constantly. There's always different ones. It's so cool. They have Oreos too.
The only one that we didn't get was
fried crab.
No.
Oh.
Well, we didn't get that one, but they had mustard octopus.
Oh yeah, and it looked like...
I didn't think anyone wanted to try.
The picture was like the raw octopus. It's gross. And like, why was it mustard flavor? I wonder, is that like a popular
Really, it's
combo?
not the octopus that threw me off, it was the mustard.
I'm surprised they use mustard. I wonder if it's like the mustard seed. Seems like a very American condiment, but I don't know, maybe not. Okay, this is the Sprouts haul. We spent like $70, I think. Chomp sticks, the turkey pepperoni, these are so good. I got a little thing of sourdough. I'm gonna make grilled cheese with this tomato soup that Morgan got. We got an extra pack of ground bison. We're gonna put that in the chili just to make it extra like protein. Morgan picked up just some extra lean ground beef, 95%. You haven't tried this one. Is it grass-fed? I don't know. Looks good. A win. Grass-fed vintage cheddar. Yum. This is going to be for the grilled cheese balls, so that would be good just like, you know, by itself. And then some Munster just for like good melty cheese. So we're going to do a combo of that on my sandwich. Picked out tomato basil soup. Some bone broth. Some chili ingredients. We got 2 cans of beans and 2 cans of tomato. And I think that's it.
What'd you get?
It's grass-fed vintage cheddar.
I'm gonna try that Scottish one next time.
The Dublin?
No, it was. I know what you're talking about. Kerrygold Dubliner.
Yeah.
No, it was called. I mean, we can try that one too. But it was like it was in a black package. It said like at least aged 2 years Scottish cheddar. So I don't know if it's white or orange, but. Ayo.
Okay.
Is it good?
I think so, yeah. It's different than crop, but it's good.
Oh.
It has like, what is that? Like not sweet, but more like rounded. Like it's not as sharp. But like it is sharp. I don't know. Hard to describe.
No, I'm with you. It's sweet.
Yeah.
Almost.
But not like dessert sweet. Just like cheese
not
sweet.
dessert sweet.
I kind of like it,
I
honestly.
fuck with that.
Yeah, that's good. I'm going to do the melty cheese on the outer.
Nice. Oh, it's British.
British.
Yeah.
Very
Okay,
crumbly.
I fuck with that.
I don't know how well it's going to do on a grilled cheese, but we're going to find out.
Yeah.
Perfect. I think I'm just going to melt some butter in a pan and cook these right on it. Hope it melts together okay.
I need one of those ground beef smasher things.
The like thing that you know what I'm talking about? You go like this.
Yeah.
And it has like the end and it's all like crisscross.
Yeah.
I know, we do need one. I got a comment about that once actually.
That we need one?
Yeah.
Yeah. I see people on TikTok using them and I'm like, dang, I've never seen one, but I need one.
I know. I think it's a Pampered Chef item. But I think there's, I'm sure, an Amazon version we could buy. And Danny's mom actually does Pampered Chef if we want like the legitimate one.
I know that they make good stuff.
Yeah, they do. They have some cool stuff.
My mom used to buy that stuff.
There's still some cheese. All right, late dinner today. We're having this chili. This is the mild one. I think Morgan actually cooked the original, but the box we bought from Amazon had both in it. So that's what we have. It's looking so delish.
Put it in the light.
Yeah, it's really dark over here. Not shocking in our house. Yum. It's looking beautiful. We toasted up just some bread we had on hand in the pantry. We're about to have chili for dinner.